Hi guys, and welcome here to another video on Sepa channel. Today we will speak about servicing your car with 100 pounds or less, depending on the car obviously, DIY style. So I've selected a couple of service parts. We will start first with the oil. On Halfords it's 36.44. However, I managed to get it for 28.39 on eBay, but that promotion is over, so I cannot show you guys that. This is Castrol. I would say pretty decent oil. I wouldn't go for anything better. Okay, this one is on sale on here. Second, this is Borgenbeck oil filter. As you can see, it's made in the UK. Okay, I didn't want to do that. It's 344. Mainly, you would want to get all the parts from the same supplier. However, sometimes it's not possible, as you've seen with oil. For some reason, these guys don't have a lot of engine oils, so that would be pretty inconvenient to get all the parts from different suppliers. However, they have all the supplies, all the service parts apart from oil, which is pretty decent. So as I was saying, we are speaking about the full service, which includes oil, oil filter, cabin filter, air filter, sun plug, washer, because that's important to change. I wouldn't stress it to be changed every oil change, although it would be helpful, but once every couple of years, that should be it's just fine. Spark plugs and gearbox oil. In this case, the car has 90,000 miles almost, and it's manual, so I would say a gearbox oil change it's necessary. So we are at the oil filter. It's 344. By the way, these guys have amazing prices. This is how a sun plug washer looks like. It's 131. I guess these guys actually take them in bulk, like 10 or so, and then split them to make them affordable. And to be honest, I don't need more than one, so I don't see any reason why not to buy like this. Cabin filter. This one is from Borgenbeck, again made in the UK. 382, which is pretty decent. I can show you the comparison. We actually have a video with a comparison with MAN filters, which you would see that the difference is quite huge. It's a three to five times more, which to be honest doesn't make any sense to pay that much on them. Cabin filter needs to be changed every year at least. I would say I would change it every 6 months, because it's, come on, it's 382 and it takes a couple of minutes to change. You can do that yourself and ensure that your air in the car is clean. Moving along, we have an air filter. This time this filters the air for the engine. If you live in an area where it's dusty, I would say you can change this annually, but in most of the UK you can change it maybe once every couple of years or so, or depending on how many miles you do, of course. This one, it's made in the UK, as you can see here. Again, very important, because these guys have good prices. And oh, by the way, this is not sponsored or anything like that, although no, we won't say no in case they want to send us something to review. Moving along, some spark plugs. There are 860, I believe. I managed to get them a little bit cheaper. They were out of stock, now they are back in stock. I can see here, beware, there are a lot of fakes in GK in particular, and this guy is actually can ensure that the quality is there and they are genuine. They have code on the packaging. You can call the factory actually on a batch number on the spark itself. So if you are in any doubt that the NGK spark plugs that you purchased is fake, just send an email or something to the factory and they will be able to confirm if the batch number is real or not. And last but not least, the gear oil or transmission fluid. Some people call it like that, some people call it gear oil. As you can see in this case, it's called gear oil. It works on multiple cars, of course. It's not especially for this car. However, I forgot to mention, these guys, as you can see, have here a very useful message that say that this product fits your car. You can go back on the video and see like every page had this message on it because it matches the car that you put the number plate for. Again, this one I think it's very reasonable priced. You kind of need to check your owner's manual. In this case I need 2.4 liters. Obviously they're coming at 1 liter. It would be useful if they would have split it into halves, but maybe the price would have been not very different. So I guess keeping half of liter just to top up, maybe. I don't see any reason why you should do that, but check it and top up maybe after, if you still have some left. Okay, so that being said, we are at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and maybe share the videos, especially if you have any debate with your friends, like that you can do it cheaper. See you guys, bye.